Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost, myself Ajay, and I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful fashion store e-commerce tablet, totally free and fully responsive. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys, first I will show you the quick view. See my friends, here's a quick look. Now scroll to top. See the very top section, top bar, the multiple things, the main navigation, see guys, the sub menu, mega menu works well. Beautiful advanced search, just brilliant, and the beautiful mini cart. Now, the beautiful top section slider, just brilliant. See the animation as well. You will like it, I know it. And scroll to top, sorry, below. See guys, the beautiful sales section. Scroll to products with tabbing. See my friends, beautiful hover effect. Just wow. Again, beautiful sale section, 50% off. So hurry up. You guys see the beautiful casual slider with products and the client section, white, and the beautiful subsection, newsletter section and footer section as well. Scroll to top and friends, you know it. It's fully responsive. Let me show you once. See, like I said, fully responsive will work for all the devices. So guys, no need to worry about responsiveness. You'll get all the things perfectly done as well. And guys, after it, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. My friends, also, you can contact me via my blog, in my blog, therichpost.com. In this page, blog, you will get my contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number as well. So guys, feel free to contact me anytime. And also, I'm full-time freelancer, and if you will have any project, then feel free to contact me anytime. I'm fully available 24 into 7 as well. And also on my blog, you get multiple free things like Angular, React.js, Vue.js, and also e-commerce and admin dashboard template free as well. See the hundred of admin dashboard templates, and all are free of cost. So guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.